home and office safety. Just call Mr. Masoro on +2 56 75 29 52 386. Enhancing security with CCTV cameras. Welcome to our discussion on home robbery, a vital aspect of modern home security. In today's world, the safety of our homes is paramount, and CCTV cameras play a crucial role in this regard. These surveillance systems not only deter potential intruders, but also provide peace of mind for homeowners. When considering CCTV installation, it's essential to assess the layout of your property. Strategically placing cameras at entry points, driveways, and backyards ensures comprehensive coverage. Moreover, advancements in technology have made it easier than ever to monitor your home remotely. With mobile applications, you can view live footage and receive alerts directly on your smartphone. This level of accessibility empowers homeowners to stay connected to their property, no matter where they are. Additionally, many modern CCTV systems offer features such as night vision and motion detection. These capabilities enhance security, particularly during low visibility conditions. Investing in a reliable CCTV system is a proactive step towards safeguarding your home and loved ones. In conclusion, as we embrace home safety, let us prioritize security through effective surveillance solutions. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this information helps you make informed decisions for your home security needs. For more information, contact Mr. Masoro on +2 56 75 29 52 386.